Let us look unto God through a short sermon from Psalm number 121. The passage is like this: Our help comes from the Lord. Psalm 121. Let me see the text. I lift up my eye to the hill. Where does my help come from? My help comes from the Lord, the maker of heaven and earth. The verses from 1 to 2. Life is filled with uncertain danger and challenges. In Psalm 121, the psalmist reminds us where to look when we need help. Not the mountain, but the creator of those mountains. So we see here number one, God who watch over us. From the verses 3 to 4, God never sleep and slumber. He is always alert and watching over his people. When others fall to notice our struggle, God never miss a moment. Number 2, God who protects us. From the verses 5 to 6, He is our keeper, our sets at our right hands. Whatever by day or night, God's protection surround us, just as His shadow is always near. So is God's presence. 3. God who preserves. Here, from the verses 7 to 8, the Lord will keep you from all harms, both now and forever. He is not only protects us in the present, but promises eternal care. So, lastly, if we see then the Psalm 121 remind us to lift our eyes, not in fear, but in faith. Our help doesn't come from earthly source, but from the Lord, the maker of heaven and the earth. Trust Him, walk with Him, and rest in His care. Amen.